Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect HubSpot to WordPress. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main home screen. This is the starting point for accessing your account tools, settings, and available integrations. If you are already signed in, you should see the top navigation area where HubSpot organizes its features and marketplace options. Once you are on the home page, look across the top area of the screen for the marketplace section. Take a moment here because this is where HubSpot provides access to apps, integrations, and tools that can extend what your account can do. Finding the correct area at the top will make the rest of the setup much easier. When you locate it, click on HubSpot Marketplace. This will open the marketplace where you can browse available connections and integrations. The marketplace is designed to help you connect HubSpot with other platforms, including website builders and content management systems like WordPress. After the marketplace opens, find the search bar and enter WordPress. Searching directly is the fastest way to locate the integration you need, especially if there are many options listed on the page. Be sure to type WordPress clearly so the correct result appears. Next, click on the WordPress result. This takes you to the integration page where you can review the connection details. On this page, you'll usually find information about what the integration does, what features it supports, and what you may need before installing it. It can be helpful to quickly review this information so you know what to expect during setup. From there, click Install and then follow the on-screen procedure. HubSpot will guide you through the remaining connection steps. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm permissions, sign in to your WordPress account, or approve access so the two platforms can communicate properly. Just move through each screen carefully and complete the prompts as they appear. As you go through the installation, make sure you read each screen before clicking Continue. This helps prevent configuration mistakes and ensures the integration is connected the way you want. If a page takes a moment to load, that is normal, so give it a few seconds before trying again. Once the installation process is complete, your HubSpot and WordPress connection should be in place. At that point, you can continue with any additional setup that appears inside the platform. That's it. You have now gone through the process of connecting HubSpot to WordPress.